Just happened the taxi man crashed and at the bar fee a drink of rum.
I started up with people. Let me catch a right on the corner, man. Please, but that, you know?
Yeah, that drink.
Part to cut the price.
Hey, all when you see Bob Marley one now.
Yeah.
Look at this now.
Yeah.
Vice Cartel cannot challenge Bob Marley.
No.
Who runs in? Tell Miss Alex.
Yeah.
Pay $1 million and get Ninja Man.
Yeah. Oh, that prison.
And big up Bob Marley. And you hear about Jack Ure, me not big up Jack Ure. Them boy they are real blood clots. He that.
Yeah,
one Bob Marley, one Ninja Man,
yeah,
and a Vice Cartel. So if they want money, this thing, pre-bargain, for who? Ninja Man.
Now I don't need to write just a barrage.
Yeah,
one barrage.
Hey, chop my drive. That's something what you can't do. What is that? Stupid ass nigga, you train the place so long and everybody I got friend here now got friend. Go suck out with your mother. You train the place so long and can't get a game. Achieve man, achieve. This spray wall. Yo, man.
Early this morning, did I do some fishing and some yarning? When me look out the road, who calling? When me look in the night before darling, the girl look like the girl look charming. But me go the in and over when she falling. Hucks her name and says she name Marlin. Say where you come from, me say no Marlin. Right now when me tell her out like on the corner, me still out performing. To our corner, me still out performing. The one is a one right back in the morning. You can wait and I never feel.
Go straight, man. You're early morning.
Yo, fuck there, boy.
That makes you lose one of them morning, other than the phone the way you know look more.
Yo, straight man.
Say, you just get your pay last week. Throw it down on the ground and shall lose it. So you just get your pay last week. Throw it down on the ground and shall say your bed. And put on man phone out there and go on and you walk. You know no damn sense. Tell you yesterday morning and you make me have to come back to you this morning come tell you. It's like throw down people phone out there and go on and you bomb up and walk and stop looking at a man's face. Because I'm going to go blood clot vex, really vex one of this day. And get sober. And I'm going to do the soberest motherfucking thing you ever can ever think about. And it's now going to make you go back a blood clot walk.
Ask the question. No man, it's a video man.
I don't no interview.
I interview man.
I don't go for me back.
Chat the man. What? You never invest yet in Earbank.
What is a here? Me don't know here bank. I have to say where call the here bank. Come. Where call the here bank?
Tell him talk.
That's why when me hear them talk about you, the bank your money I hear bank. You pussy. Oh my.
You never know. You never know.
No.
Right.
You hear them talk all the while about here bank.
Him know. Him can't. Him not. It's not move.
No.
Chuche, you never know. Are you a bank man?
Pussy.
Yeah. So we, you know, remember say here, you know.
Two times, yeah. You're a bank.
You ever hear the picture, you know?
You're two jars.
Some of them not hear the pan, you know.
Yeah, man, you're the same man.
Traffic. What they got here, bang?
Me a ask.
You never know. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is an interview with my boss. No, don't. You know, the trouble you make. I think you might look for it over here already. You know, eh? you want to like, eh?
What you want to know?
What I want to know?
Yeah.
I want to know what it is like with the females over your country. To meet a female over your country and get her, what's the fastest idea? Wow, pussy man. Come in, man. Give me an interview, man.
Hey, baby, one interview together. Come in.
Yeah, one interview together. Come in, Sheila.
Sheila.
Sheila. Come in, man. We do an interview. May I take the camera, Sheila?
From Dominican
I make it.
Republic.
Where you come from?
Me?
Yeah.
Dominican Republic.
Eh.
Hey, Sham.
Even Asian.
Bad place.
Bad place. So
Plenty voodoo.
plenty wobia. Voodoo.
Voodoo.
Hey, so talk about your place.
My place.
Yeah.
Everybody like Nyam pussy.
Everybody.
Yeah, everybody.
So if
Young boy, young girl, old man, old woman, I like fuck. So in Jamaica, some people say no like Nyam pussy, but me no believe.
So you believe enough Jamaicans still
Me
nyam
no
pussy?
believe. Some people Jamaica like Nyam pussy, but don't like that.
But no like that.
No laco, Dios te bendiga, mi hermano. Hey, te veo bien.
They no like that.
Yeah.
So tell me something. Why you there here so I look for Sheila? You look at nyam for Sheila?
Yeah, me want Nyam pussy chila.
Sheila. You say
Pussy.
Asian girl them pussy tight, you know.
Pussy from Asia. Tight.
Pussy formation tight.
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Me say they no like shape their pussy favor your beard.
Good man.
Me say bumbo rascal man. Yo, me say Asian girl them pussy full of hair. They no like shape. Why you feel say they no like shape?
Watch out.
Call out Sheila. Sheila.
Sheila.
Where you go, Bashi?
Ma,
I know me, no your neighbor. I your neighbor to want to come for 80 years and sitting. I go and call me.